I find in my work on global challenges that you always start with data, because that is what you need to convince the audience, the public and the politicians that you need change. And the data, especially on these kind of global environmental challenges, are absolutely shocking. Whether it's about climate change or about biodiversity or about pollution, you need data. Based on those data, you can ask for a certain change, and that leads to different policies. And at the end, once you have changed something and you want to convince people that you actually can make a change, suppose you have a species that was dying out, but because you took action based on data, you can then show that because we protected this animal, it's thriving now, and now we can apply this to other species as well.